To remove the SIM card from OnePlus 13, first we need to grab our device and then look on the bottom side, just like that. That way you'll be able to find the SIM tray. We need to open it with something like a SIM ejection tool. All you have to do is stick this needle part in the gap right here. And then you need to push it until the slot opens. When it's opened, you can safely remove it. And then there's our SIM card. You can remove it in a few different ways. If you have only one SIM card, on the bottom side you will find a gaps, and you can use again SIM ejection tool to simply remove it like that. If you have two SIM cards inserted, then you'll need to try to fidget it with this needle again until it's removed. And that is basically everything.